This is brain stimulation. We use 3 different techniques that are non-invasive, meaning that we don't enter the brain, we just stimulate it. One is electrical, the second is magnetic, and we have a new addition to the family, and that is ultrasonic brain stimulation.
What's really cool about that technique, this focused ultrasound, is that you can stimulate deep inside the brain. And so far, all of the brain stimulation methods that we've had available have only been able to target kind of the superficial parts of our brain, the parts that are basically the bits that are unique to humans, but the parts that are more comparable to other animals are the parts that are deep inside our brain. And those parts are really important, we know, for like impulsive decision making. But so far we haven't been able to study those, to stimulate those areas in humans. And so this new technique that we're developing here allows us to do that.
And where we're developing new key technologies that can also be applied for many different questions, from linguistics and philosophy to medicine or biology. This is an ultrasound transducer. We would hold it on the head and the ultrasound will go through the skull and into your brain.
Precisely target where we want to stimulate, and you can see on your brain there's a blue line crossing, where there is the region that we're going to stimulate.
Ultrasound are very high frequency sound waves, so high that we cannot hear them. But we know them most or best from an imaging technique. When you would use ultrasound to take an image of a baby in the belly, we can steer the focus in depth, adjusting it exactly where we would like to stimulate.
When comparing these different techniques, it's not that one is better than the other, but they do different things. That really allows us to also answer different questions.
If you're participating here in one of our experiments, you have an opportunity to contribute as one of the first to new technologies. But also, it's kind of fun to see what's going on in research here, what we do. You're looking at your own brain, and it might even be intriguing to see that your brain is being stimulated. Here we're developing new technologies and hopefully delivering new treatments that can alleviate symptoms and diseases.